Welcome to the chaos. Mike and I are downsizing, and so we have been packing like crazy in preparation for about a 2,000 square foot reduction in lifestyle. It's kind of nuts. We are downsizing in a serious sort of way. We bought a tiny little house with a decent sized shop attached. It's more like a shop with that little tiny house attached. And we are culling our 2,600 square foot house to try to move into the 750 square foot house. It's been challenging. It's been stressful. And we're getting there.
Bye-bye house.
All right, we are just about moved. We haven't talked a lot about it. I haven't filmed a ton of the process, but we have sold our big house and we are moving to a tiny little house with a very big shop attached. And Mike has retired and I haven't been working for a few months. And so we are going to go travel. But first, we had to move and get the money out of our house and buy a cheaper house. And it's been a ton of work. We have way too much stuff. So Mike just pulled away with the last load of stuff. My car is packed to the gills. You can't see it there, but it is. And we are empty, empty, empty. I'm tired. In case you can't tell that. This whole crazy thing is my idea, and yet I'm still sometimes second guessing my decision just because it's really hard. But here is to new adventures and new beginnings. They usually are good. Yeah. Okay, so I'm geared up to clean today at the new house, and it is so dirty. I think this may be the dirtiest house I've ever lived in. I have volunteered at some places that were dirtier, but this is, it's no bueno. So I'm off to scrub more ceilings, scrub more walls, scrub more baseboards, scrub, vacuum, scrub. I feel like that's my whole life right now. This is not great. But it will be okay when it's done. We will have a place to lay our heads. We will have a clean place to lay our heads. And it's tiny and built really strangely, but we will do what we need to do to make it work. And then we'll get out of here and go travel and know that we have a home base. All right, back to cleaning. Well, the chaos continues outside. Our roof is being replaced on the new house, new to us house. They're over here for a couple days, getting the tear off done and getting ice and water shield on. Getting the house done, so over to the right, and then the carport done. And then the shop has a metal roof, so it looks like it's all right. Moving into this house has been an interesting challenge, and there are things that we absolutely have to do, and there are things we want to do, but we also need to take advantage of the fact that we're not working and go out and do day trips during the week, and also just take a mental break and refresh our spirit by, getting out and about and not just working on the house all the time. All right, we're gonna go for a little adventure.
We're only a few miles from our house. We found an off-road hill.
Yeah, that'll be fun. Just come out and run around up here. You have to teach me how to off-road up here. Let me drive sometime.
Yeah.
Will it happen ever?
Just gotta get your brake and your hill thing down.
I'm so bad at two-footing. Like I just hit, my left foot just goes too hard. A little steep that. It's gorgeous. Look at that view. All the way down Hood Canal to the south. And
this way.
All the way Hood Canal to the north. That's pretty amazing. Yeah. Alright, getting out to see... Oh, where's my camera upside down? I don't know. Whatever. Getting out to see if we have a road. Or if we need to turn around and find another road. Whoa.
Oh, this one might be blocked off.
Yeah, it might be, because there do appear to be big tree trunks in the way.
Yeah, we get down that one there.
Oh, that lower road went, yeah.
not getting over that pile.
Uh-uh.
Well, I guess we'll back up and we'll take the next road over. That one goes down.
Okay, sounds good. I don't remember going between posts like this anywhere. We've been on a lot of power line roads.
Yeah.
But I don't think we've ever been between the posts.
And cables. There's some cable supports up there we gotta go around.
Oh, huh. This is interesting. I mean, there's plenty of room. But it's very strange. Wow, that is getting more narrow. I don't even know how that worked.
It might open up here. It's hard to say.
Oh, it doesn't look like it's gonna open up. Oh, that tree is go real slow. It's a big tree.
I have to get out and look out here.
Oh. Ow, that branch hit me in the face. That really hurt. We're a little trapped in here right now. Really don't want to back out. It would be really hard. I mean, Mike would have to back out, obviously, not me, but still really hard. Oh, we found another narrow part, and now we found some snow.
Oh, might found the end of the road here.
I think we might be done for the day. Oh, are there any tracks in it?
We've been up through here.
Wow. Well, you're definitely making the highest mark today. Very wet. Very icy and fishy. Yeah, the ground looks pretty solid. It's mushy. It's a little mushy because it's really wet, but...
Yeah.
I know you like a challenge, but if we had our gear with us, I'd be up for this a little more, but with no recovery gear, and I don't like that. And I know it's only like 10 feet, but...
It's only 10 feet.
Yeah.
Slide off down in the ditch.
But yeah, if you get stuck, then we're hiking out 2 miles to find help or to get cell reception. We're hiking out to get cell reception. Alright, we made the highest mark, but Mike didn't want to go for it again. We didn't film it because he's afraid he's going to slide off the road. So he's just going to back up. No, maybe he's going for it again. I don't know about this. Well, now he's definitely made the highest mark, but it's a little slippery. That makes me nervous. We don't have any recovery gear with us. We have chains, but that's not going to help us much if he slides off the road.
Alright.
We are in beautiful Port Angeles today.
Port Townsend.
Oh God, I said the wrong town. We're in beautiful Port Townsend today.
Yeah, Fort something park.
Fort Worden.
Fort Worden.
I do know that. I don't know what town I'm in, but I know that. So it is absolutely beautiful out here, mid-May, and it's a Monday because we don't have jobs.
Yep.
Yes. Let's go explore the fort. All right.
It's just right here, but you can't see it.
Oh yes, because it's a fort and it's hidden.
Good view from up here.
Here we go. The part of the old fort here.
Definitely want to pay attention. There's no guardrails around here.
No, there aren't. This is a fall hazard.
Over here. And you go to someday, they'll probably have it all fenced up.
Yeah. Yeah, and I remember running through the tunnels and there'd just be like pipes sticking out and like rusty things, jagged. You have to watch yourself. Most of the forts are World War II. There are a couple that are before that. But the West Coast has, yeah, the West Coast has a lot of forts, which probably a lot of people don't realize. But, you know, there's a lot of coastline to protect. All kinds of artillery and storage and crazy things. Some of these staircases I'm not entirely sure I'd trust, but I guess they haven't fallen down yet.
Yeah, they're suspended like that, aren't they?
Yeah. Does it go through?
Yeah.
Oh. You might
Where's
need
the
some
flashlight?
You might need some light. Famous last words. Mike, we don't need that flashlight.
There we go.
There we go. I've run through here with no flashlight. In my youth. Before we carried phones and flashlights in our pockets. Uh-oh, there's the outside.
Yeah. I got my phone down on the green, I never did it.
It'll be gone forever. Oh, such a pretty beach. Pretty
Boat heading up.
view, yeah. There's a lighthouse over there. Just views in every direction. Here's some cute guy I know.
1909 up there.
Oh. And I guess it was built in 1909. I don't think I've ever been up here on this hill. There's all this other stuff up here.
Main battery.
Oh. Surprised this was mostly decommissioned before World War II. You are here. Kind of scary stairs. Hi, baby girl. And back out to the ocean side.
That'd be a long fall if you fall down there.
Yeah. Definitely some fall hazards around here.
There's a tiny boat out there, about a 42 foot.
A tiny boat.
Man, it is flat out there. It'd be a good day for out on the water.
It would be. Switchboard. This is the communications area with the radar tower above, and those big pillars were for telescopes. And
Oh, the door is closed.
oh, it is. Oh,
Yeah,
bummer.
locked.
Well,
That goes into a whole bunch of rooms.
huh? Bummer.
They won't let you in there now.
No, what's in here? Nothing. Nothing. This little prisoner cubicle. Huh. Well, it was worth a shot.
Well, I guess that's where offices were.
Yeah. I guess this is the entertainment spot. Can't really read it very well, but it says theater. R. Cretan or something.
Recreation?
Yeah, oh, yeah. Something like that. Recreation? Oh, recreation. I got there. This is recreation.
RL creation.
Oh, recreation center and theater. There we go. We got, yay, we're smart. I like weird stuff. There's a chair made out of concrete in the woods. Just a random Friday, we are putting our little boat into water and gonna go for a little adventure here. Off on a little mini adventure near our house. There's Mike rowing. We do have the outboard with us, so we won't be rowing all day. Plus he hurt his elbow, so he shouldn't be rowing or lifting heavy things, both of which we've done today. It is gorgeous out here. The water didn't feel that cold, just stepping in it at least. How old's this boat?
Probably 60s.
Oh, okay. It's a little old. It's a different feel to this boat. Mike says it's very stable, but it feels really tippy to me.
You just don't want to make sudden moves.
Ah, okay.
You don't want to be jerking around and hopping and jumping in the yard. And end up overboard.
I don't want to end up overboard. I don't want to ruin my phone, mostly.
Oh, you know what? I didn't bring the kill switch.
Oh, shoot. Is it going to work without it? No.
Huh.
Hmm.
You have a scrunchie?
I have a hair tie.
Here, that'll work.
Do you want
A
it?
gur tie?
I have a... Oh,
A gur tie.
a gur tie? You can have my hair tie if you want.
Hair tie, yeah.
Hair tie.
That's what I need.
Oh. Got to MacGyver this with the hair tie. Let's see if this works. Alright, we got the hair tie to run the boat. And let's see where this takes us. I guess we don't want to go too far, so we can't get it to work again, then we have to row back. More cute waterfront houses, more trees, more nice beach. It's pretty darn nice out here.
Look at all the oysters here.
Yeah, there's a lot right on the pilings.
On
That's nuts. Wow.
That's a lot of oysters.
Yeah, that's crazy. Well, how was your first ride out in the little boat?
Well, I guess it's successful. We made it out again.
There you go. Such a pretty area.
See it from the water.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, gas.
Yeah, gas.
You guys out of gas?
Yeah, it's fine. We have a can, and we also have oars.
Yeah. I can throw you a line and pull you in.
No,
we're good. It's like us though to run out of gas like 30 feet from shore.
At least you made it this far.
This is true. So we've obviously made a major lifestyle change. And we're trying to do a few fun things, a couple little day trips here and there. But our big adventures are on the way, and they're much bigger. And we had a total ball this summer, and those videos are coming soon. So stay tuned.